Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pink lemonade fudge. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees F and line an 8-inch square pan with parchment. Begin by heating cream and pink lemonade syrup together until simmering, then pour over chopped white chocolate and stir until glossy. Add lemon zest and a touch of pink coloring if desired. Press into the pan, chill until firm, and slice into squares for a bright, tangy treat everyone will enjoy. Let's talk ingredients in a relaxed, friendly way so your pantry setup is simple. Start with good white chocolate, sweetened condensed milk, heavy cream, and a pink lemonade syrup or concentrate. Add fresh lemon zest to lift the flavor and a pinch of salt to balance sweetness. If you want vibrant color, add a few drops of pink food coloring, but keep it minimal for a natural look and taste. Now follow this friendly, step-by-step approach so your fudge turns out perfect every time. Warm the cream and pink lemonade syrup just until steaming, then pour it over finely chopped white chocolate and let it sit for about a minute. Stir slowly until glossy and smooth, then fold in lemon zest and optional vanilla. Transfer to the lined pan, press to even thickness, refrigerate until fully set, and slice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.